Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now, as you might know, the Cybertruck did not have full self-driving when it was first released. But as of October 1st, they did a software update and we have self-driving now. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now and I think it's pretty good. So what I'm going to do today is take the Cybertruck for a spin and basically go from my house to WholeFoods, which is about a 12-minute drive. It's a straight road, but there are a lot of lane changes. And I want to see how that's going to work out with the self-driving. So let's go. All right, so let's navigate to Whole Foods. As you can see, I've already been there a whole bunch of times. So it's a straight road, but there's a whole bunch of lane changes there, and I think overall, full self-driving does a really good job. Let's see if I can get out of the parking lot without getting murdered. All right, full self-driving. Now I've set the speed to auto max, which means the AI is going to determine what the right speed is. Now these are all internal roads, so 25 is the speed limit. It should be around that same speed limit. It's October in New England, and that means it's fall, so the trees are changing color and they just look spectacular. So it does detect those cars over there. It's going to go around it. These things have become pretty standard now. It does go across parked Amazon trucks and so on. All right, let's see how this right turn comes along. All right, nobody's coming. Go, 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 go. All right, okay. Now this is a single lane both ways, so usually complications happen when you have an Amazon truck or something standing on the side and you have to go past the yellow lines. And it has done pretty well in the past, so I haven't seen any issues there. The deceleration up to a stop sign is or a red light is really nice. Even the launch over here was pretty gentle, which is nice. So in this situation, the right thing to do is to stay in this lane, because that kind of the right lane is for going into 95 south. So the right thing to do is to stay in this lane, which obviously it's doing. By the way, as you can see, it's not nagging me anymore because it is reading my face using the camera up there. And I'm not wearing any sunglasses. Oh, interesting. This flashing red light ahead is actually new. Again, the speed limit here is 40 miles an hour, and it's keeping it at about 35-ish miles per hour. Okay, now here the two lane again starts to merge into one lane. Now, today we are lucky here because we don't have much of a traffic, but again, in a more traffic situation, it will weave in and do the right thing. Now, if I was human driving, I would probably accelerate a little bit more and catch up with the white car in front. But I think here it's just maintaining 36 miles an hour. Again, the right lane is just to go on to the right, so it did the right thing by picking the correct lane here. Again, stays on the right side because that lane is to go into those shopping malls there. Now, other people have tested different situations with U-turns and open lefts and so on and so forth. That's more like a specific uh, situation testing. This is more like a system level testing where you're just going from a specific location to another location and just seeing how it's going to perform, like a typical daily drive. All right. Okay, so that deceleration was probably a little too aggressive. As you can see, the stand just kind of slid off. But yeah, I did it fine otherwise. Okay, so the WholeFood is actually back there. So let's see how the right turn happens here. It does a really nice right turn. Actually, I wonder where it's going to put me. Oh wow, it's taking me right to the door actually. That's interesting. So it said autopilot complete. Okay, so we might as well park the car now. Ooh, that was close, man. Now, other people have tried various different versions of parking situations, but in a parking lot that has got traditional parking lines, it does a really good job. Usually it gets it in one try. As you can see, the wheels are lining up with the lines there, and that's the overall top level plan view. And there we are. We are at WholeFoods. So actually, I'm going to take the camera off and actually show you how well the parking happened. That's pretty good. All right, guys. So self-driving is doing decently on the Cybertruck. So as you can see, on a regular daily basis, it's doing a pretty decent job. I have gone through almost a couple of hours from Boston to UMass, Amherst, and back, and almost zero intervention. Also, the other thing you need to realize is I'm a very jumpy driver. I jam the brakes very quickly. So there are situations where I would probably be panicking and autopilot would probably be okay, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So overall, I think this is a massive feature that's come down into the Cybertruck, and I'm just stoked that I can use this every day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did like it, then please give a like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps. Until then, bye.